Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Accidentally deleting your Outlook PST file means losing emails, contacts, and calendar data. But don't panic, recovery is often possible. Immediately stop using the drive where the PST file was located. This prevents new data from overwriting your lost file. First, check your Windows recycle bin. If it's there, simply right-click and restore it. If not, or if permanently deleted, you'll need specialized data recovery software. These tools scan your hard drive for deleted file traces. Install the software on a different drive. Launch it and select the drive where your PST was deleted. Run a deep scan for deleted files. Once the scan finishes, look for files with a .pst extension. Preview them if possible. Recover the PST file to a completely new location, like an external hard drive or different partition. Never recover it back to the original deletion spot. After recovery, open Outlook. Go to File, then Open and Export, and select Open Outlook Data File to access your restored information. Remember, always back up your PST files regularly to prevent future data loss.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.